This is building a water slide. Produced by Samantha Dyna, Olivia Rose, Toby Smallwood,
and Michael Claiborne.
You are the owner of a water park who is attempting to build a pyramid-shaped attraction with a water slide on one side of the pyramid.
The pyramid's height is 100 feet. Each side of the base is 50 feet long. There is a pool at the bottom of the pyramid, which is 50 feet away from the middle of the pyramid. In order to build it, you need to answer 3 questions. 1. How long does the water slide need to be in order to hit the pool at the bottom? 2. If the brick needed to make the pyramid is $20 per cubic foot, how much will it cost to make the pyramid? And 3. If it takes 40 gallons of water per linear foot to properly send someone down the slide, how much water will you need to fill the water slide?
Word problem. Understand. The pyramid is 100 feet tall, and each edge is 50 feet wide. The pool is 50 feet away from the center of the pyramid. Questions. How long does the water slide need to be in order to hit the pool at the bottom? If the brick needed to make the pyramid is $20 per cubic foot, how much will it cost to make the pyramid? If it takes 40 gallons of water per foot of slide, how much water will you need to fill the water slide? Plan. What is the slant height, base area, and volume of the pyramid? Solve. Use the Pythagorean theorem to find the slant height of the pyramid, the square area equation to find the base area of the pyramid, and the volume equation to find the volume of the pyramid. Make sure that the calculations are correct.
Understand, the pyramid is 100 feet tall and each edge is 50 feet wide. The pool is 50 feet away from the center of the pyramid. The brick needed to build the pyramid is $20 per cubic foot. It takes 40 gallons of water per foot of the slide to properly send someone down.
Solution. Question. What do you need to get in order to find the 3 solutions to the problem? The slant height of the pyramid and the volume of the pyramid. To find the volume, you need to find the base area of the pyramid.
Solution. Plan. What is the slant height of the pyramid? 2. What is the base area of the pyramid? 3. What is the volume of the pyramid? 4. Once you have these numbers, you can solve the problem.
Solve. First, you have to find the slant length of the pyramid. 100 square feet plus 50 square feet equals c squared feet, the Pythagorean theorem. 12,500 feet equals c squared feet. Then you square root 12,500 feet to find the square root of c squared, which is c. After you do all that, you should come out with c being 111.8 feet. That's the slant height of the pyramid. Next, you have to find the base area of the pyramid. The base area for any square is a equals side squared. Since you know the side is 50 feet long, square 50. A equals 50 squared. After you do that, you should end up with A being 2,500 cubic feet. Use cubic feet because it is in volume. Using the base area, calculate the volume of the pyramid. The volume equals the base times the actual height of the pyramid. So volume equals 2,500 times 100. So after you do that, you should end up with 250,000 cubic feet. Now that you have the information needed to solve the problems, you can proceed to the solutions. Since you know the slant height, you know how long the water slide is. The water slide is 111.8 feet long.
Number 2. You have the volume of the pyramid. Since each cubic foot is $20, multiply the volume by the cost per cubic foot. 250,000 times 20 equals $5 million. 3. You know that it takes 40 gallons per foot of slide. Now, just multiply 40 gallons by the length of the slide. 111 and 8 times 40 equals
472 gallons. Special thanks to Miss Way, Egypt, for inventing the pyramid, and freeanimatedbackgrounds.com. That end. Woo! Thank you for listening to our podcast.